Okay, student, now we will discuss about marginal utility. What is marginal utility? Marginal utility is the additional utility or extra utility. We can say additional utility or extra utility that we will get from consuming an additional unit of a goods. It means, suppose in the first unit, suppose I write marginal utility first. Suppose marginal utility means when we take or when we get an additional when we get an additional utility after consuming an additional unit of output, What is this? This means when we take an additional unit of output, when we consume an additional unit of output, we get an additional utility. Suppose first unit my total utility is 10. Okay, there is no additional or extra utility we get. When we take an extra unit or additional unit, that means second unit. When we take an additional unit, that means an extra unit, that means the second unit. How much additional utility we get? In the second unit we get 20. First unit we get 10. So second unit we get how much additional we get? 20 minus 10. 20 minus 10, that means 10. That is marginal utility. Marginal utility is the additional utility, or marginal utility is the additional utility when we take an additional unit of output. So first unit we take 10 marginal utility. So there is no marginal. First unit our total utility is 10. So there is no marginal utility. When we take an extra unit, that means an extra commodity or goods, when we consuming an extra unit or extra output, that time our total utility is 20. So compared to the first one, how much extra utility we get? 20 minus 10, that means 10. In the third unit, that means in case of third commodity or third goods, our total utility is 40. So compared to the previous one, how much extra we get? 40 minus 20, that means 20 unit. Again, next fourth unit, in case of fourth unit, our total utility is 40. If we compare to previous total utility, so how much extra, that means additional utility we get? 40 minus 40, that is 0. Compared to the fifth one, if we compare to the fifth unit, that means fifth commodity, in case of fifth commodity our total utility is 35. If we compare to the previous one, that means after consuming an extra, if we compare with the fourth unit with 5, so taking an extra unit, that means fifth unit, that means fifth unit we get 35, that is our total utility, and fourth unit we get 40. So in this case our total utility decreases. And that is why our marginal utility will be negative. 35 minus 40, that is minus 5. Okay, so in this way we discuss total utility and marginal utility. Total utility is the utility that we get from any particular units or corresponding units. Total utility is the utility that we get any particular units or goods of a commodity. Okay, like first apple, our total utility is 10. First apple, our total utility is 10. Second apple, our total utility is 20. Third apple, 40. Fourth apple, again 40. Fifth apple, 30. Okay, like this, because our total utility first increases, then maximum, after that false. That is why I am taking this data. Okay, so we will never add these values. We will never add these values. This is not our total utility. Total utility is the utility that we get from a particular commodity. If you take first one apple, suppose you are given an apple, you consume that apple, your total utility is 10. After that again you are given another apple, your total utility is suppose 20, like this. And marginal utility is the difference. Marginal utility is the difference of the total utility. Like first case there is no marginal, second one extra we consuming, so one extra total utility we are getting. So how much total extra additional utility we are getting? That is 10. Next case 40 minus 20, that is 20. Next case, how much additional taking when we comes to fourth from third, that means additional goods we are consuming, one additional goods we are consuming. So that time it is 40 minus 40, 0. Next time fourth to fifth commodity, 30 minus 40, that means minus 10. In this way we compare, we discuss total utility and marginal utility. The next video we will discuss the relationship between total utility and marginal utility.